Read.
Okay. Look at the pictures very low.
Read along.
Read along.
Okay, you read.
The rat is in the cup.
Next.
The man has a bat.
Next.
The rat is in the can.
Next.
The can is on the fan.
Very good. Next here.
Yes.
Match.
Match the pictures with the pictures and
Right.
write the words.
Okay, you read.
A man in a van.
Okay, you trace and write the words.
Trace o, dyan lapis o. Trace lapis.